Hello guys, today we will be doing tap with the screen, see what emoji you get, and you have to describe the emoji. So I will be going first. It's a circle, it's yellow, and it has no corners. Okay, your turn, Vito.
Hi.
Tap the screen.
What is it? A seashell. And
what color is it?
Purple and blue.
Good job. Okay, my turn. I don't know. I keep getting up. It has 1 point. It's yellow and has 2 bumps on the top. Okay, your turn.
Sorry. I got a square and it has 4 dots and 4 corners.
Good job, Vita. Oh, I got a rainbow. It has pink, purple, blue, teal, green, and yellow. And it's like one big bump, half circle. Oh, shit. Okay, Vito.
I got a smiley face. It got a line, 2 eyes, and a smile, and a circly head.
What color is it?
And the color is yellow.
Okay, so I got squid. Are you okay? Okay, we'll be. Okay, guys, we are back. My little brother just sneezed. Oh, the camera.
That's the screen.
Okay, we're back. Sorry, the screen's blurry. It's my turn. So I got a circle, half pink and half blue.
Hi.